Hello, I'm Dr. Shweta. This is our first third video lecture of laser MCQs और आप लोगों के कमेंट्स और मैसेज ही मुझे एनकरेज करते हैं वीडियोस बनाने के लिए और लेज़र के लिए भी मेरे पास मैसेजेस और कमेंट्स आए थे तो उसी कंटिन्यूशन में हमारा लेज़र का MCQs चल रहा है और मैं इसकी वीडियोस थोड़े जल्दी जल्दी अपलोड कर रही हूँ जिससे मैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स पे आ सकूँ। हाँ, क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स के जो मेरे को वीडियोस लेक्चर्स हैं उसमें थोड़ा फ्रिक्वेंसी कम हो जाएगा उसके क्योंकि इक्वेशंस बहुत होती हैं तो हम लोगों को टाइम लगेगा उसको टाइप करने में और बनाने में सॉल्व करने में भी। लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस एमसीक्यू। होप कि आप लोगों को ये अच्छा लगेगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ स्पॉन्टेनियस एमिशन इंक्रीजेस न्यू टू square nu to power cube nu minus 1 where nu is the frequency of exciting radiation. If you remember the relation between Einstein coefficient A and B, so आपको ये क्लियर हो जाएगा जब उनका रेशियो कैलकुलेट करते हैं that is proportional to nu to power cube. So C option is a correct option. Next, the intensity of light passing through an active medium decreases, increases, remain unaltered. First decreases and then increases. The intensity of light passing through an active medium increases. So option B is a correct option. Question is the ratio rho of stimulated emission to the rate of spontaneous emission is given by rho equal to 1 upon e to power h nu upon kt plus 1, rho equal to 1 e to power h nu upon kt minus 1, rho equal to e to power h nu upon kt plus 1, rho equal to e to power h nu upon kt minus 1. जब हम n1 upon n2 कैलकुलेट करके लेके आते हैं रेशियो फिर b2 upon b1 कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो हम कैलकुलेट करके रो इक्वल टू 1 upon e to power h nu upon kt minus 1 कैलकुलेट करते हैं दैट इज b ऑप्शन इज अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Next question is the population inversion in preparing laser beam can be achieved when one of the excited state is more populated than ground state, when one of the excited state is less populated than ground state, when the population of one excited state and ground state are equal, irrespective of all relationship between the population in the excited state and the ground state. So population inversion in preparing laser beam can be achieved when the one of the excited state is more populated than the ground state. Population inversion तभी achieve होगा जब हमारा excited state more populated होगा. That is A option is the correct option. Next question is the activator atom in ruby laser is oxygen, aluminium, chromium, iron. So chromium is the active medium for laser. Next question is in ruby laser population inversion is created by optical pumping, electrical discharge pumping, chemical pumping or injection current. So in ruby laser population inversion is achieved by optical pumping techniques. So option A is the correct option. Next question is in gas laser population inversion is generally created by optical pumping, electrical discharge, chemical reactions, none of the above. So in gas laser population inversion is generally created by electrical discharge method. So option B is the correct option. So next question is for a fixed set of mirror threshold gain of laser beam is beta is proportional to D, beta is inversely proportional to 1 upon D. 1 upon D, beta is proportional to D square, beta is proportional to 1 upon D square. So where D is the distance between mirror. For fixed set of mirror threshold gain of laser beam is beta is inversely proportional to 1 upon D, that is B option is the correct option. Next question is ruby laser system is given out CW beam matlab continuous wave beam, pulse beam, both A and B, none of the above. So ruby laser is a pulse laser beam, that is B option is a correct option. Next question is the standard wavelength emitted from helium neon laser is 543 nanometer, 543 nanometer, that is green, 595 nanometer, that is yellow orange, 632.8 nanometer, that is red. 6,612 nanometer red orange. So option C is the correct option, that is red. हीलियम नियॉन लेजर रेड बीम एमिट करता है, वो भी 6,328 एंगस्ट्रॉम कह लीजिए, 632.8 नैनोमीटर. Next question is, according to Boltzmann distribution law, Ni equal to N naught e to power minus Ei upon kt, Ni equal to N naught e to power I upon kt, Ni equal to N naught e to power minus Ei upon kt, Ni equal to 1 upon N naught e to power minus Ei upon kt. So option B and C both are same option. जब भी माइनस हम ऊपर लेके जाएंगे प्लस हो जाएगा, सेम ही एक्सप्रेशन बन जाएगा. ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, दैट इज Ni equal to N naught e to power minus Ei upon kt. Option A is the correct option. Next question is, the color of laser output from ruby laser is green, blue, red, violet. So option C is the correct option, that is red. Next question is, the ratio of helium and neon in helium neon laser is 1:10, 100, 10:1, 1:10, and 100:1. The ratio of helium and neon in helium neon laser is 10:1. Option B is the correct option. So here we end this video lecture of laser और MCQs का, और हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और MCQs के साथ आएंगे लेजर की. और प्लीज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिए, आपको अच्छा लगेगा तो हमको भी अच्छा लगेगा. थैंक यू.